So friends, Samsung is supposed to debut the next generation Galaxy S26 series in early 2026, which could feature thinner cameras as compared to its predecessor. Recently, Samsung launched its super slim flagship model, the Galaxy S25 Edge, which surpassed several high-end smartphones available in the market in terms of thinness. Now, the Korean tech giant is gearing up to launch the Galaxy S26 series, which will include at least 3 models: Base, Plus and Ultra. And a few days back, it was reported that Samsung could replace the Plus model with Edge in the Galaxy S26 series, which means that the lineup will include Galaxy S26, S26 Edge and Galaxy S26 Ultra. Meanwhile, this is a new report has revealed that Samsung is working on making thinner cameras for the Galaxy S26 series. Reportedly, this task will be achieved by using inkjet printing with matte ink to replace the film that prevents light reflections and light overlap inside each lens module. Using ink will help the company to make a thinner camera since it's just ink, obviously thinner than the film that's currently being used. And however, Samsung has yet to share the official word on whether it is planning to make thinner cameras for the upcoming Galaxy S26 series. If this report comes true, then it will be interesting to see exactly how much thinness the company will reduce as compared to the previous camera bumps. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.